Hey friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. If you saw my video yesterday, I made a lunch platter with a lot of different choices for my kids' play date. Now what was left over was some chicken nuggets and some carrots. So today I'm using them in today's lunch. Let me show you. Let's go. So I cut up the I warmed up the chicken nuggets in the microwave. I already cooked them in the oven yesterday. I warmed them up in the microwave and I cut them into fourths. I shredded some sharp cheddar cheese. I shredded some of the carrot sticks. I've got some ranch and I've got some spinach. I'm going to make salads for the family. I've got a big bowl for Mama, bowls for the kids.